In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an email on Google Forms. Let's dive right in. Whether you're organizing an event, conducting a survey, or gathering feedback, Google Forms is a fantastic tool for collecting information. One common requirement is capturing the email addresses of respondents. So, how do you ensure that you're doing this accurately and effectively? Well, follow along and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you need to access Google Forms. So head over to your browser and type in docs.google.com/forms. If you're not already signed into your Google account, the site will prompt you to do so. Click on sign in, and when it asks, type in your email address, click next, then enter your password, and finally click on sign in again. It might seem straightforward, but ensuring you're logged into the correct account is crucial, especially if you, like many of us, juggle multiple Google accounts for personal and professional use. Once you're signed in, navigate to your Google Forms dashboard. Here you'll find any forms you've previously created or a template to start a new one. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're working on an existing form. Click on the form you wish to collect email addresses with. Now, with your form open, look for the settings icon. This is typically located right near the top, a little cogwheel that's eager to take you to the next step. Clicking on this will open a panel with various options to customize your form's settings. Here's where the fun begins. Click on the Responses tab within the Settings panel. You might wonder why we're not diving straight into collecting emails. Well, understanding how responses are collected and managed is key to effectively capturing the information you need, including those all-important email addresses. Next, you're going to see an option that says Do not collect email addresses. Now this might seem counterintuitive, but stay with me. Google Forms defaults to not collecting emails to protect user privacy. To change this, you'll want to click on Do Not Collect, which might seem like telling it not to do what you want, but clicking it actually allows you to switch this setting. Finally, after clicking Do Not Collect, you'll want to select the option for Collect Email Addresses. This change now means your form is set up to explicitly ask for and record the email address of anyone who fills in your form. Also, ensure the Verified option is selected. This ensures that the email addresses collected are from users logged into Google, adding an extra layer of verification to your collection process. Let's recap quickly. To collect email addresses using Google Forms, you sign into your account, select your form, go to Settings, and under Responses, change your settings to collect email addresses. By doing this, you're making sure every response to your form comes with a contact email, which can be invaluable for follow-ups, confirmations, or future communications. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to ensuring you can record email addresses using Google Forms. As always, remember to respect privacy and make sure you're clear about how you'll use any data you collect. Happy form making.